हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल ओमनी ज्ञान। मेरे चैनल ओमनी ज्ञान में आप सब लोगों का बहुत स्वागत है। टुडे वी विल बी लर्निंग द स्टोरी द पोस्ट मास्टर written by Rabindranath Tagore, and this particular story is in the syllabus of class 10 additional English. Okay, now the story in brief. Okay, I have included all the essential parts from the story, and we will be learning the story in brief. And you can keep your textbooks in front of you. Okay. So the first paragraph, from the first paragraph of the story itself, you'll see that the story occurs in a humble village called Ulapur. Okay, so ये कहानी जो है, the story actually occurs in the village known as Ulapur. Okay, and in fact the postmaster's very first job was in this village only, in Ulapur itself. Okay, तो पोस्ट मास्टर का जो बिल्कुल उसका जो फर्स्ट जॉब, पहला जॉब, वो इस उलापुर विलेज में ही है. ओके, नाउ लेट मी टेल यू वन मोर थिंग. द पोस्ट मास्टर्स नेम इज़ नॉट गिवन इन द स्टोरी. कहानी में सिर्फ एक ही कैरेक्टर का नाम दिया हुआ है. वी फाइंड द नेम ऑफ ओनली वन कैरेक्टर इन द स्टोरी. वी डोंट फाइंड द नेम ऑफ द पोस्ट मास्टर. ओके, नाउ द पोस्ट मास्टर इज लविंगली कॉल्ड as something that we will learn very soon. Now, the story occurs in the pre-independence era when British ruled India. तो ये जो story है ये 1947 से बहुत पहले है. We know that 1947 our country got independence. Okay, तो ये जो कहानी है ये pre-independence era का कहानी. The story occurs in the pre-independence period, pre-independence era when the British ruled India. जब British India को rule करता था. Okay, तो तब क्या होता था कि हम लोग जो मैक्सिमम ऑफिशियल्स यूज टू बी द इंग्लिश पीपल ओनली, द ब्रिटिश पीपल ओनली, मैक्सिमम ऑफिशियल्स इन इंडिया. वॉट एवर डिपार्टमेंट इट इज, you would always see that it is the British people who would be there in the highest or higher post. Okay, so what happened that there was an indigo factory in the village and the British manager had established a post office after much efforts. तो एक इंडिगो फैक्ट्री हुआ करता था. देयर इज टू बी एन इंडिगो फैक्ट्री इन द विलेज. ओके, एंड द ब्रिटिश मैनेजर ऑफ दैट इंडिगो फैक्ट्री, जो उस इंडिगो फैक्ट्री का जो मैनेजर था, ही वॉज अ ब्रिटिश. एंड समहाउ, बहुत कोशिश के बाद, आफ्टर मच एफर्ट्स, ही एस्टैब्लिश्ड अ पोस्ट ऑफिस देयर. क्योंकि उसको लगा कि पोस्ट ऑफिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ही थॉट दैट पोस्ट ऑफिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, टू डिलीवर मैसेजेस टू people from one place to the other. So after much efforts, this British manager, he established a post office. उसने एक post office खुलवाया बहुत जो है effort के बाद. ठीक है. The postmaster moves to Ulapur and works in a hut cum post office. This is very important to know that generally the post offices that we see today in town or cities, actually the post office before independence was not like that, especially if it is a village. ओके, किसी विलेज में अगर कोई पोस्ट ऑफिस हुआ करता था, इफ इन ए विलेज, से उलापुर इज़ अ विलेज, तो इन दैट विलेज दिस पोस्ट ऑफिस, पहले के ज़माने में जो है, ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम, प्री इंडिपेंडेंस एरा, पोस्ट ऑफिस वेयर लाइक नॉट वेरी मॉडर्न. ओके, इट यूज टू बी अ स्मॉल हट. एक छोटा सा जो है थैचर्ड हाउस हुआ करता था, थैचर्ड प्लेस, एंड इनसाइड देयर वुड बी वन और टू ऑफिशियल्स ओनली सिटिंग इनसाइड द पोस्ट ऑफिस, विलेज में, स्पेशली इन द विलेज. ओके, राइट. तो द पोस्टमास्टर्स ऑफिस एंड हिज हाउस मतलब उसका जो क्वार्टर था, हम लोग उसे क्वार्टर ही कहेंगे. ठीक है. तो हट, हाउस उसका छोटा सा. वाई हट बिकॉज इट वॉज मेड ऑफ लाइक बैम्बू एंड लाइक टिन एंड स्ट्रॉ, इससे बना हुआ था दैट पोस्ट ऑफिस. तो पोस्ट ऑफिस एंड हट वर सेम एक्चुअली. ओके, से फ्रंट पार्ट वुड बी द पोस्ट ऑफिस एरिया, front part would be the post office area, and there would be a door, and inside the postmaster live inside. Partition किया हुआ था, there used to be a partition. Okay, and inside it was the how the postmaster used to like sleep inside. It was his room inside. अंदर उसका postmaster का personal room है, and outside it's the post office. So under one building only, under one hut only, the post office and the postmaster's room. ठीक है. I hope you understood this thing. तो hut come post office. but he finds himself a fish out of water. And now, what do you mean by fish out of water? This line is from your book actually. Fish out of water means that he is unable to fit in with the other men in the town. जल को अगर आप पानी से निकाल दे, if you bring out fish out of water, will the fish be able to survive? Will the fish be able to live? Obviously no, right? Because we know that fish lives in water only. If you bring fish on the land, fish will die in few minutes, right? Or in few seconds. So postmaster was a fish out of water. Actually, he used to live in Kolkata, and Calcutta is a city. So suddenly from city, when the postmaster came to the village, he found it very difficult to adjust in the village. उसको बहुत difficulty होने लगा adjustment में. He found it very difficult to adjust in the village, and moreover, see, he was educated. The postmaster was educated, but the people around him were uneducated. So he was unable to fit in with the other people in that village. Actually, not in the town, in the village. Why? Because they are less educated than him. तो जितने भी लोग उस विलेज में थे, they were less educated than the postmaster. Okay, that is why the postmaster could not adjust. Postmaster अपने आप को adjust नहीं करवा पा रहा था. He was unable to adjust in the village. That is why he felt a fish out of water. ठीक है, जलबिन मछली, as we call in Hindi. Now, again, pre-independence period, you see, post office work was very less. Unlike today, you have so many activities in the post office. You can do, like, at that time also there were money orders and all these things, but right now, so you have saving banks account in post office. You have different kinds of posts, like speed post, registered post, this post, that post. Okay, even money also you can send digitally. You can send money also. Okay, so there are so many kinds of work in a post office, but at that time it was not like that. The work of the post office at that time, okay, before independence, it was like just deliver letters or money and nothing else. Okay, so work was very little, तो काम बहुत जो है वो कम था. And postmaster used to remain free only. All the time the postmaster used to remain free only. So during his spare time, free time, the postmaster used to write poems on natural surroundings. तो उसके आसपास का जो natural surroundings है, the natural surroundings is around him. He used to write poems on that. Why? In order to pass his time, because he was all alone, right? In the post office, he was all alone. He did not know anybody. Nobody interacted with him. So he was more or less alone only. So in order to pass his time, he used to write poems, and then because and one more thing, he could not mix with all the people. He could not. The postmaster could not mix with all the people. Why? Because they were less educated. वो लोग जो थे वो less educated थे. That is why the postmaster remained lonely most of the time. The postmaster got a very small salary. तो salary बहुत कम हुआ करता था. Unlike today, post offices are like central government jobs today, and salary is very nice. But earlier time, you see, postmaster got a very 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 minimum salary. बहुत minimum salary मिलता था उसको. The postmaster got a very minimum salary, but still he would ask an orphaned village girl named Ratan to do housework for him. तो उसको कम salary मिलता था. He got very less salary, but still he found actually somebody brought an orphan girl. Orphan का मतलब आपको पता है, one who does not have a mother or a father. तो there was a girl called Ratan. Okay, एक village girl जिसका नाम रतन था. The postmaster told that girl that will you do housework for me? मेरे घर के काम करोगे, like cooking my food, washing clothes, cleaning the house, will you do? तो रतन agreed. Okay, I will do, because Ratan used to do this for every postmaster. तो जो भी postmaster उस village में आता था, every postmaster that those who were posted in that village post office, Ratan used to do housework for them also. So Ratan did not refuse. So in return, Ratan received some food of his. Okay, some of his food जो है वो जो postmaster का जितना भी खाना वो खाने के बाद जितना बचता था, whatever food remained, he would give Ratan. तो postmaster रतन को वो खाना दे देता था, लेकिन पैसा कभी नहीं दिया. ओके, दिस थिंग प्लीज मार्क दिस थिंग. ओके, आप लोग इसको पूरा जो है दिमाग में बिठा लीजिए. प्लीज सेटल दिस इनसाइड योर माइंड दैट पोस्टमास्टर डिड नॉट पे रतन मनी. एंड व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग यू टू रिमेंबर दिस, बिकॉज जब हम लोग कहानी खत्म करेंगे, व्हेन विल एंड द स्टोरी, देन यू विल लर्न दिस थिंग. व्हाई? ओनली रतन यूज टू गेट ओनली फूड, नॉट मनी. हम लोग जो है ना, इफ समबडी वर्क्स फॉर अस वी पे हिम मनी इन रिटर्न, बट द पोस्ट मास्टर डिड नॉट पे रतन एनी मनी, रादर द पोस्ट मास्टर ओनली गेव हिम ओनली गेव हर फूड, वो सिर्फ खाना देता था पोस्ट मास्टर रतन को, ठीक है, नॉट मनी. नाउ रतन, हम लोग थोड़ा रतन के बारे में जान लेते. यू ऑलरेडी नो दैट, लेट अस लर्न समथिंग अबाउट रतन. नाउ एज यू ऑलरेडी नो दैट रतन इज एन ऑर्फैन गर्ल. She does not have a father or a mother. She is an orphan. And what is her age? 12 or 13. It is not specifically given in the story, but it is 12 or 13. She is impoverished. Impoverished means like she does not get much nutrition in the food. Okay, she is very thin, lean and thin. And she is obviously unlikely to get married, because a girl who does not have a mother or a father, okay, uh, she is unlikely to get married only. Moreover, she is not from a rich background also, that somebody would take responsibility of Ratan and get her married. No, nothing like that. She is an orphan, parents are not there, so there is no one to take the responsibility of Ratan. So it is unlikely that she would get married. That means she will not get married even in future also. Anyways, since the postmaster remained lonely, so in order to get rid of his boredom, he would often talk to Ratan. तो मैं आपको एक चीज़ बता दूँ, लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग. द पोस्टमास्टर एंड रतन ग्रू अ बॉन्डिंग. ओके, देयर ग्रू अ बॉन्डिंग बिटवीन द पोस्टमास्टर एंड रतन. तो द पोस्टमास्टर यूज टू रिमेन लोनली मैक्सिमम टाइम, ही यूज टू रिमेन अलोन लोनली. तो पोस्टमास्टर को एक पार्टनर मिल गया, साथी मिल गया. ओके, एंड इन ऑर्डर टू गेट रीड ऑफ हिज बोर्डम, तो बोरिंग लगता था, यू नो, द पोस्टमास्टर यूज टू फील वेरी बोर. तो इन ऑर्डर टू गेट रीड ऑफ दिस बोर्डम, ये जो बोरिंग थिंग है, इससे छुटकारा पाने के लिए, इन ऑर्डर टू गेट रीड ऑफ दिस बोर्डम, समटाइम्स द पोस्ट मास्टर वुड टॉक टू रतन. तो कभी कभी पोस्ट मास्टर रतन के साथ यू नो बहुत सारी बातें करता था. ही वुड ऑफन टॉक अबाउट सो मेनी थिंग्स, अबाउट हिज फैमिली, आस्क अबाउट रतन्स फैमिली, एंड दे ऑफन टॉक्ड अ लॉट. ओके, नाउ रतन क्या क्या काम करता था, देखिए. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ वर्क डिड रतन डू फॉर द पोस्ट मास्टर? रतन वुड प्रिपेयर हिज हुक्का. हुक्का आपको पता है ना, एक पाइप रहता है लंबा सा. ओके, एंड लाइक व्हेन यू टेक अ पफ, स्मोक कम्स आउट. ओके, सो हुक्का, इट जनरली हुक्काज आर लाइक ऐसा होता है हुक्का. मैं आपको पिक्चर दिखा सकता था, बट दैट्स ओके. ऐसा ऐसा समथिंग, इट विल बी समथिंग लाइक दिस. ओके, और यहाँ पे जो है एक लंबा सा पाइप होगा. इस पाइप को जो है मुंह में लगाया जाता है, और पुट दिस थिंग इन द यू नो इनसाइड द माउथ एंड टेक पफ. और यहाँ पे जो है कोयला रखता, यू नो, यू कीप कोल ऑन द टॉप. और फिर यहाँ नीचे पानी रहता है, यहाँ एक बेसमेंट में पानी रहता है. एंड व्हेन यू टेक पफ, व्हाट हैपन्स, दिस थिंग, एक गुरगुर गुरगुर आवाज़ होता है, जैसे गुरगुर काइंड ऑफ साउंड, एंड देन धुआं निकलता है फिर. ओके, एनीवेज, तो रतन वुड प्रिपेयर हुक्का फॉर द पोस्ट मास्टर, रतन वुड प्रिपेयर फूड फॉर हिम, रतन वुड क्लीन हिज क्लोथ्स, रतन वुड फेच हिम वाटर फॉर बाथिंग. नहाने का पानी जो है वो कुएं से भर के लाती थी रतन. ओके, दीज काइंड ऑफ वर्क्स रतन डिड फॉर द पोस्ट मास्टर. एंड इन रिटर्न शी डिड नॉट गेट मनी. आई एम रिपीटिंग अगेन, शी डिड नॉट गेट मनी, शी गॉट फूड. रतन वुड टॉक अबाउट हर फादर हु लव्ड हर मोर देन हर मदर. तो कभी कभी रतन जो है अपने फादर के बारे में बात करती थी. रतन वुड टॉक अबाउट हर फादर, and her father actually loved her more than her mother. Then she would sometimes remember and tell the postmaster about her brother. रतन का एक भाई होता था, and Ratan and she, both brother and sister, they would catch fish, okay, from the pond, from the lake. Okay, so Ratan would talk about her family also, and Ratan addressed the postmaster dearly as दादा बाबू. इसलिए मैंने कहा ना कि दादा बाबू मतलब लविंगली हम लोग कहते हैं ना, बिग ब्रदर, ब्रो, डूड, ऐसे हम लोग कहते. तो एनीवेज, सो दादा बाबू इज़ अ बंगाली वर्ड एक्चुअली. दादा बाबू मीन्स बड़े भैया, बिग ब्रदर. ओके, रेवरेंड ब्रदर, रेस्पेक्टेड बिग ब्रदर, रेस्पेक्टेड एल्डर ब्रदर, दादा बाबू. ओके, सो रतन एड्रेस द पोस्ट मास्टर डियरली एज दादा बाबू. तो जब भी दादा बाबू का नाम मैं मेंशन करूँ, यू लाइक इट इज़ द पोस्ट मास्टर ओनली. ओके, डोंट गेट कन्फ्यूज्ड. Okay, Dada Babu and Postmaster are same people. So sometimes I would say Dada Babu also. Please don't get confused, because both are same. And Ratan would address the Postmaster dearly as Dada Babu. So their conversation would continue till late night. So now there grew a bonding. जैसे मैंने आपको पहले भी कहा, आई टोल्ड यू बिफोर ऑल्सो, दैट देयर ग्रू अ बॉन्डिंग बिटवीन the postmaster and Ratan. And in the beginning, like they would talk very casually, but later on, as days passed, later on, their bonding grew so strong that they would talk till late night. वो लोग बहुत देर रात तक बात कंटिन्यू करते थे, बातचीत कंटिन्यू करते थे. They would keep talking till late night. Okay, their conversation would continue till late night. Okay. And the postmaster would also talk about his family. तो रतन कभी कभी पूछती थी, रतन would ask the postmaster sometimes that who are there in your family, Dada Babu? And the postmaster would say that, no, I have my mother, I have an elder sister. See, I have a mother, I have an elder sister, I have a younger brother. So you see, the postmaster missed his family a lot. Okay. And the distance of Kolkata, where he lived actually, and Ulapur was quite long. So the postmaster was posted in a very desolate, lonely, deserted village like Ulapur. Moreover, the postmaster did not have any friends also in Ulapur. That is why you see he felt more lonely, and that is why he missed his family. Okay. Now one day the postmaster decided to teach Ratan to read. Okay. Now let me tell you one more thing. This particular postmaster actually is very different from the other postmasters. ठीक है, वो बहुत डिफरेंट है बाकी postmasters से. Okay. And here what he does is that he decided to do something fruitful. Generally what we do in order to pass our time, आप लोग क्या करते हैं अपना टाइम पास करने के लिए? Nowadays तो obviously there is PUBG, Free Fire and all these things, and I don't actually very much support these things. Okay, this now I don't know whether students will feel good or feel bad about me saying this, but actually I don't support too much of PUBG and this BGMI or your Free Fire, you see. And I'll tell you why. If it is done within a limited period of time, अगर आप जैसे आधे घंटे के लिए 1 घंटे के लिए खेलते हैं, फिर आप जो है बंद कर देते हो उसको, दैट इज ओके. बट अडिक्शन है ना, अडिक्शन इज वेरी वेरी बैड. कि आप घंटे के ऊपर घंटे खेल रहे हैं, यू आर प्लेइंग लाइक आवर्स आफ्टर आवर्स आफ्टर आवर्स, यू आर प्लेइंग एंड यू आर प्लेइंग. दैट इज वेरी 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 बैड. एंड यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड इन टेलीविजन ऑल्सो, इन न्यूज़ ऑल्सो, दैट मेनी दे एक्चुअली वो जो स्किन विन खरीदते हैं ना, वो यूसी वीयूसी देके, एंड व्हाट दे डू इज दैट दे स्पेंड देयर फादर्स money from their father's bank account, credit card, debit card, and they are purchasing all these things. And at the end, when they're caught, many teenage students are there who are committing suicide. It's very disheartening, disappointing to see all these things. And I'm a teacher, you see, it feels very bad when I hear about any student committing suicide, or being beaten by their parents for continuously playing games and wasting their time. So you see, you can, whatever you do within a limited period of time. Don't get addicted to it. आप कुछ भी करें. Okay. So during your leisure time, that is why I have brought a new segment on every Sunday's book review segment. Why did I bring book review? I could have brought PUBG review also, right? And I would have got more views on that. अगर मैं PUBG, BGMI, Free Fire इन सब के ऊपर views लाता, या फिर जो न्यू गेम्स अभी जो लॉन्च हो रहे हैं, द न्यू गेम्स विच आर लॉन्च नाउ ऑन प्ले स्टोर्स, इफ़ आई वुड हैव रिव्यूड ऑन दोज थिंग्स, देन आई वुड हैव गॉट मोर व्यूज़. हज़ारों में व्यूज़ आते. बट माई ऑब्जेक्टिव इज़ नॉट टू गेट व्यूज़. माई ऑब्जेक्टिव इज़ दैट आई गिव यू समथिंग विच विल हेल्प यू फॉर अ लॉन्ग लॉन्ग टाइम एंड परमानेंटली. इनफैक्ट किताबें जो है, बुक्स यू सी, दे विल हेल्प यू फॉर एवर. PUBG, BGMI, all these things will not help you forever. You're trying to get me, okay? So I would like to request the students actually through this, that you pass your time fruitfully. Look at the postmaster. He decides to teach Ratan to read and write. Now obviously you would tell me, sir, उस ज़माने में कहाँ PUBG था, pre-independence era में, right? Now बात तो ठीक है आपका, लेकिन फिर भी this postmaster could have slept whole day. ये तो पूरा दिन भर ये सो सकता था, काम तो था नहीं. The postmaster did not have much work to do, so he could have slept whole day. पूरा दिन ये सो सकता था, right? But no, you see, the postmaster decided to do something fruitful to teach Ratan to read. And Ratan was like very happy, because no postmaster ever talk to her in such a way. And she was very, very happy that, and she was keen to learn also, and she learned very quickly. Whatever Dada Babu was teaching her, reading, writing, okay. I'll tell you what Dada Babu used to teach her in the next slide, in the next screen. But whatever Dada Babu, the postmaster, taught her, she learned very quickly, and she was eager to become literate. तो रतन जो है वो लिटरेट बनने के लिए बहुत ईगर था, उत्सुक था. तो यू सी दैट इफ एनी अदर गर्ल और अ बॉय वुड हैव बीन इन द प्लेस ऑफ रतन, तो इमीडिएटली शी और ही वुड थिंक क्या पढ़ाई लिखाई, वाह रीडिंग एंड राइटिंग अगेन, मे बी वी कुड हैव प्लेड लूडो or maybe some games or maybe talk whole day. But no, you see, Ratan was not like that. She was also very eager. She was also showing interest in studies, in reading. Why? She wanted to become literate. ठीक है, वो पढ़ाई लिखाई करके जो है वो लिटरेट बनना चाहता था, एजुकेटेड बनना चाहती थी. Okay, she wanted to become educated and literate. Now the postmaster began with obviously vowels. Now let me tell you, okay, this is the postmaster was teaching Ratan the Bengali language. Okay, the Bengali language, not English. Even in Bengali there are vowels actually. Okay, whatever. So he began with vowels and then slowly तो vowels पहले सिखाया postmaster ने. Okay, first he taught her vowels and then slowly he taught her consonants and then conjuncts. Conjuncts are joining words. Conjunction, right? Conjunction in our parts of speech. So first vowel and then slowly he taught Ratan consonants and conjuncts. And consonants and conjuncts were progressing very slowly. Vowels एकदम बिल्कुल फास्ट हो गया, but consonants and conjuncts, he was going very slow. Now one day something very unfortunate happened actually during the month of Shravan. Shravan is a Bengali month actually. Okay, like we have monsoon, summer, winter. So Shravan is a type of a Bengali month actually. And during the month of Shravan actually what happens? Rainfall is very heavy. ठीक है, तो रेनफॉल का ये मंथ है. और श्रावण मंथ जो है, मैं आपको बता दूँ ये चीज़, सिंस इट्स अ बंगाली टर्म, सो लेट मी टेल यू. ठीक है, इवन इन हिंदी ऑल्सो. ओके, श्रावण इज यूज्ड इन हिंदी ऑल्सो, बट लेट मी टेल यू द टाइमिंग. ओके, 23 जुलाई से लेके ये शुरू होता है. श्रावण मंथ स्टार्ट्स ऑन 23 जुलाई एंड इट एंड्स ऑन 22 अगस्त. It ends on 22 August. तो ये जो ड्यूरेशन है, दिस इज द मंथ ऑफ श्रावण. सो यू सी जुलाई एंड अगस्त आर रेनी सीजन टाइम. ठीक है, इज इट ओके? एंड 2001 की अगर हम बात करें तो 23 जुलाई से लेके 22 अगस्त तक ये चलेगा श्रावण मंथ. तो श्रावण मंथ इज स्टिल गोइंग ऑन इन दैट वे. ठीक है. नाउ as I told you, a very unfortunate thing happened in the month of Shravan. क्या हुआ था? What happened? The continuous and heavy rainfall in Ullapur causes the postmaster to become ill. तो postmaster क्या हुआ? बीमार पड़ गया. The postmaster became ill because of the heavy rainfall and heavy and continuous rainfall in the village of Ullapur. The postmaster became ill because of that. और rainy season में क्या होता है कि पानी जो है, water becomes stagnant. And let me tell you another thing. Around the post office, okay, around the post office, say this is the post office. Now around the post office, it's surrounded by jungles actually. It's surrounded by all forests. Okay, and what happens? Mosquitoes breed there all around. तो डेंगू, मलेरिया, इन सब का जो होने का जो है चांसेस बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. तो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ओनली एक्चुअली व्हाट हैपन्स, द पोस्टमास्टर फॉल्स इल एंड टेरिबली इल. एंड द पोस्टमास्टर क्या हुआ? तो पोस्टमास्टर वाज लाइक नॉट फीलिंग वेल. So he was lying on his bed. तो वो जो है बिस्तर पे लेटा हुआ था. He was lying on his bed. And Ratan thought what? At first Ratan thought that maybe Dada Babu was taking rest. So when she saw the postmaster lying on the bed, at first Ratan thought that the postmaster was taking rest. So she quietly came out of his room. तो वो चुपचाप जो है postmaster के रूम से बाहर निकल गई. She came out of the room very quietly because she thought that Dada Babu was taking rest. But suddenly when the postmaster called her in and told her that he was not feeling well, so suddenly the postmaster called, Ratan, please come inside. And when Ratan came in, the postmaster said that, Ratan, I am not feeling well, okay, can you touch my forehead and check the fever? Okay, so he told Ratan to touch his forehead to check for fever. Okay, can you touch my forehead to check my fever? And when Ratan touched his head, uh, you know uh, his head was very hot actually, and Ratan immediately understood that the postmaster was unwell, not well. Okay, the postmaster was missing his mother and sister and wished they were in the village beside him. So यही होता है, this happens, you see. Now the postmaster was ill, and moreover, you see, Ratan was like slowly, when somebody falls ill, what do? We dip a piece of cloth in water, cold water, okay, and we like put on the person's forehead, okay, so that the heat comes down, the heat of the body comes down, right? हम लोग पट्टी देते हैं ना, पानी से भरा हुआ जो पट्टी है, एक कपड़ा जो है पानी में हम लोग डुबो के, देन वी लिफ्ट इट एंड पुट इट ऑन द पर्सन्स सिक पर्सन्स फोरहेड, तो इससे जो है बुखार उतरता है, द फीवर कम्स डाउन. सो रतन वॉज लाइक डूइंग ऑल दीज थिंग्स, ओके, एंड moreover Ratan's soft touch made him miss his mother and sister more and more. So when Ratan was actually taking care of the postmaster was continuously missing his mother and sister, and postmaster was thinking, I wish my mother and sister were there in the village and beside me, that I'm ill, okay. And Ratan was continuously like moving her hand over the head of the postmaster, और ये जो है, this made the postmaster miss his mother and sister more and more. So you see, Ratan took the role of the postmaster's mother in one way. So you see, whole night Ratan nursed the postmaster like a mother. So now you see that whole night Ratan nursed the postmaster like a mother. तो पूरा रात जो है रतन postmaster का सेवा कर रही थी. ओके, शी वॉज एक्चुअली टेकिंग केयर ऑफ द पोस्टमास्टर जस्ट लाइक अ मदर. सो रतन टुक द रोल ऑफ अ मदर. इट्स देयर इन योर बुक ऑल्सो, इफ यू सी, रतन टुक द रोल ऑफ अ मदर. शी कुक्ड फूड फॉर द पोस्टमास्टर, आई एम सॉरी, शी कुक्ड फूड फॉर द पोस्टमास्टर. और फूड क्या, जैसे जैसे डॉक्टर ने कहा था, ओके, कि बहुत हल्का फुल्का खाना, ज़्यादा नहीं, लाइक बॉइल्ड फूड एंड ऑल, ओके. Then she gave him medicines at the right time. तो डॉक्टर ने जो मेडिसिन प्रिस्क्राइब किया था, the medicines that the doctor prescribed, रतन gave the medicines to him at the right time. एकदम करेक्ट टाइम में जो है रतन मेडिसिन दिया करती थी पोस्ट मास्टर को, दादा बाबू को. एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, just imagine a 12 and a 13-year-old girl taking the role of a mother. Can you imagine? Now look at here. She also did not sleep in order to look after Dada Babu. So a 12 and a 12 or a 13-year-old mother, 12-13 साल की लड़की, she did not sleep at night. Whole night she did not sleep. Why? Because she was taking care, she was looking after Dada Babu. Okay, what a brilliant girl. You see, what a great girl this Ratan is. Can you imagine 12 or a 13-year girl? She's not an adult also till now, okay. So many days passed now, okay. So after many days, the postmaster was quite well now, but still he was quite weak. He was very weak. तो postmaster जो है वो बुखार तो उसका उतर गया, his fever went down completely, but the postmaster was very ill, very weak. तो postmaster बहुत weak था. And you see, on after recovering from this sickness, from this illness, the postmaster was fed up with this kind of life. कि ये भी कोई लाइफ है, एक पोस्ट ऑफिस, उसके आसपास जंगल, one post office surrounded by jungles, with all illiterate people around. I cannot talk to anybody, no friends in the village, parents, mother, sister, brother, all there in Kolkata. Is this a kind of a life? Okay, and such an unhealthy village it is, right? So finally he decided that I will leave the village. मैं ये village छोड़ दूंगा, मैं उलापुर छोड़ दूंगा. I will leave village. And so he applied for transfer to the head office in Kolkata. तो उसने एक चिट्ठी लिखा. He wrote an application. What application? Transfer application. Okay, that I want to transfer my service to Kolkata. So he wrote This particular application he wrote to the head office in Kolkata, that dear sir, I want to transfer my service. Please grant my transfer. I want to get transferred to Kolkata, to a better place, because this village is very unhealthy. Okay, तो उसने ट्रांसफ़र के लिए अप्लाई किया एंड रिप्लाई डिड नॉट कम, बिकॉज उन दिनों जो है अब आप इन टूडेज टाइम तो यू कैन ईजिली यू नो व्हाट्सएप में मैसेज भेजिए या मेल में मैसेज भेज दीजिए, मेल में कोई लेटर एप्लीकेशन भेज दीजिए. इफ़ यू सेंड अ लेटर ऑन मेल, यू रिसीव आंसर विद इन आवर्स और विद इन अ डे और टू. बट उस वक्त जो है ऐसा नहीं होता था. ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम इट टुक अ लॉन्ग लॉन्ग टाइम, मेनी मेनी डेज टू रिसीव आंसर्स. तो रतन नोटिस दैट हर दादा बाबू डिड नॉट कॉल हर एनी लॉन्गर. तो रतन ने देखा कि सी दादा बाबू वॉज डूइंग वॉट, दादा बाबू वॉज टीचिंग हर टू रीड, राइट, टीचिंग हर टू रीड. नाउ आफ्टर दादा बाबू बिकेम रिकवर्ड फ्रॉम इलनेस, जब दादा बाबू जो है बीमारी उसका ठीक हो गया, व्हेन ही रिकवर्ड फ्रॉम हिज इलनेस, रतन ने ये नोटिस किया कि दादा बाबू डिड नॉट कॉल हर एनी लॉन्गर, कि दादा बाबू तो मुझे नहीं बुलाता है. और एंड नॉट डिड ही कंटिन्यू विद द रीडिंग. दादा बाबू इवन डज नॉट कंटिन्यू विद द रीडिंग ऑल्सो. ठीक है ना. द पोस्ट मास्टर, तो अब तो पोस्ट मास्टर वॉज एक्चुअली ही वॉज ईगरली वेटिंग फॉर द रिप्लाई फ्रॉम द पोस्ट ऑफिस. तो पोस्ट मास्टर को और किसी भी चीज़ में ध्यान नहीं. द पोस्ट मास्टर डज नॉट पे अटेंशन टू एनीथिंग एल्स. He completely forgot Ratan, that he was teaching Ratan reading. He completely forgot that. He was only eagerly waiting for the reply from the head office in Kolkata, whether my application will be granted or not, what kind of reply I will get. Okay, so Ratan used to miss actually those reading thing. Okay, वो जो पढ़ाई लिखाई का चीज़ था, Ratan used to miss that thing very much. तो one day what happened, the postmaster suddenly called Ratan. तो postmaster ने एक दिन रतन को बोला, रतन यहाँ पे आओ, come here. And Ratan became very happy. Okay, I am going to learn, like we are going to continue with the reading again. But Dada Babu gave her a news that shocked her. लेकिन दादा बाबू ने उसको एक ऐसा न्यूज़ दिया that Ratan was shocked, terribly shocked. और क्या था वो न्यूज़? The postmaster had decided to resign from his job and return back home to Kolkata as his transfer application was rejected. तो पोस्टमास्टर ने फाइनली डिसीजन ले लिया था दैट आई विल रिज़ाइन फ्रॉम माई पोस्टमास्टर जॉब एंड आई विल रिटर्न बैक टू माई होम सिटी इन कोलकाता, बिकॉज हीज ट्रांसफ़र एप्लीकेशन वॉज रिजेक्टेड. तो उन्होंने ट्रांसफ़र एप्लीकेशन को रिजेक्ट कर दिया कोलकाता के हेड ऑफिस ने. दैट इज़ वाई द पोस्टमास्टर डिसाइडेड टू रिज़ाइन. कि अब तो ट्रांसफ़र, क्योंकि ट्रांसफ़र जो है वो अप्रूव नहीं हुआ, ग्रांट नहीं हुआ, तो इट्स बेटर टू रिज़ाइन, बट आई विल नॉट स्टे इन द विलेज. मतलब पोस्टमास्टर हैड डिसाइडेड no matter if my job remains or not, I am not going to stay in this unhealthy village. Okay, now Ratan actually, you see, now Ratan had actually found a family. Okay, यहाँ पे मैंने 2 बार दे दिया. Ratan had actually found a family in दादा बाबू. तो रतन एक्चुअली उसने एक फैमिली ढूंढ लिया था दादा बाबू में. एंड शी वांटेड टू गो विद दादा बाबू टू कोलकाता. So Ratan asked him that दादा बाबू, will you take me home with you? क्या आप मुझे अपने साथ आपके घर कोलकाता ले जाएंगे? Will you take me with you? Now the postmaster was like found it very funny. Okay, and the postmaster laughed and said, no, it is not possible for me to take you home with me. Okay, I cannot take you home. You have to stay here only. Okay, it is not possible, Ratan. It is not possible. Ratan became very, very, very sad, because it is for the first time that Ratan had received so much love from a postmaster, from a strange person, from a stranger, because postmaster is a stranger to her, right? But she received so much love from the postmaster. You see, no postmaster will teach an illiterate orphan girl reading. Who will teach? But it was the postmaster, this postmaster, and that is why she lovingly called him Dada Babu. So whole night Ratan kept thinking about the postmaster refusing to take her. तो पूरा रात जो है रतन ये सोचती रही. whole night Ratan kept thinking and thinking and thinking and thinking and thinking that Dada Babu refused to take me to Kolkata with him, refused to take me to his home. Okay, next morning also Ratan was very, very quiet. नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग भी रतन बहुत चुप थी. शी वॉज वेरी, वेरी क्वाइट. Okay. Now she did not say anything. She fetched water for bathing for the postmaster. So she did all the housework. Next day also, it was like next day the postmaster was getting ready to go home. तो पोस्टमास्टर जो है वो बिल्कुल तैयार था. ही वॉज रेडी दैट ही वुड लीव उलापुर. ओके. ही वॉज पैकिंग हिज बैग्स एंड ऑल. ओके. एंड रतन वॉज बिल्कुल चुपचाप. रतन वॉज completely quiet. Okay. And she fetched water for bathing. She like prepared food for the postmaster. She fetched water for bathing for the postmaster. She did all the household works, whatever was like her duty. So the postmaster now was getting ready to leave. So he called Ratan inside again. Okay. तो उसने रतन को जो है अंदर बुलाया. कहा रतन अंदर आओ. And Ratan entered the hut and told her that he would tell the next postmaster to take care of her. The postmasters told Ratan that Ratan, I will tell the next postmaster who is going to come, in my place. I will tell the next postmaster to take care of you also. But Ratan was not happy. Ratan was not happy at all. Ratan को next postmaster चाहिए नहीं. Ratan needed this postmaster, दादा बाबू. Okay, जिसके अंदर रतन ने अपना एक फैमिली देखा था. Ratan wanted to go with the postmaster, but that wasn't possible. So Ratan was very very sad. Okay. Now, Ratan reacted very strongly and in almost anger. बहुत गुस्से में रतन ने, गुस्सा ही नहीं, अंदर दुख भी था. She was sad inside. She was broken inside completely. She was angry and sad. तो both जो है anger और sorrow, both got mixed together and there was a kind of a very strong reaction from Ratan. And Ratan very angrily told the postmaster that I don't want you to tell anything to anybody. कोई ज़रूरत नहीं. आप कोई नया पोस्टमास्टर आएगा, आप उसको मुझे केयर करने के लिए बोलोगे. नो नीड टू थिंक अबाउट मी. ओके. किसी को मेरे बारे में सोचने का कोई ज़रूरत नहीं. मैं अकेली थी. आई वॉज ऑल अलोन. आई विल रिमेन ऑल अलोन ऑन इन द विलेज. आई डोंट नीड एनीबडी. सेइंग दिस, शी वेंट आउट ऑफ द रूम क्राइंग. ओके. She also said that she does not wanted to stay in the village. So now Ratan was also like very very sad and said that I don't want to stay in the village. Why don't you take me with you? Okay, and all these things, and she went out of the room. Now the postmaster was very shocked at her reaction. Because the postmaster never saw Ratan react in this way. It was the first time. So the postmaster was very very shocked. Okay. So what happened now? The new postmaster arrived as it was time for Dada Babu to leave. Now a new postmaster had come in his place. The postmaster arrived and Dada Babu handed over his charge to the new postmaster. तो दादा बाबू का जितना भी जो है charge था, explanations था regarding the post office, he explained to the new postmaster everything, handed over his charge to the new postmaster and was getting ready to leave. And before leaving, Dada Babu called Ratan and said, Ratan, come here. I was unable to give you anything before, but today I want to give you some money. Keep some money with you. And saying this, Dada Babu gave all his salary to Ratan. तो दादा बाबू ने उसका जितना भी सैलरी था, मंथ का सैलरी, he gave all to Ratan. And Ratan like fell on the ground and she started crying. Okay, and why was she crying? After receiving money, why was she crying? Now she said what you see, and this is very important. I beg you, don't give me any money. दादा बाबू मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ हाथ जोड़ से, मुझे कोई पैसा नहीं चाहिए. प्लीज़ मेरे बारे में सोचने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं. प्लीज़ नो वन नीड बॉदर अबाउट मी, नो वन नीड टू थिंक अबाउट मी, एंड प्लीज़ डोंट गिव मी मनी. आई डोंट वांट एनी मनी. सेइंग दिस, शी रैन अवे क्राइंग. अब रतन को कौन समझाता? हु वुड एक्सप्लेन रतन? Okay, and Dada Babu was not taking Ratan. Ratan only wanted Dada Babu to take Ratan with him to Kolkata. But that wasn't possible. Dada Babu refused. Now the postmaster travels by boat to Kolkata and remembers Ratan's grief-stricken face. The postmaster जो है वो नाव में बैठा. At that time transportation was boat only. So boat was the only means of transport at that time, you see. So the postmaster got inside his boat. But the postmaster जो है वो जो रतन का दुखी चेहरा, the sad face of Ratan, the postmaster started remembering the sad face of Ratan. कि उसके चेहरे पे कितना दुख था. So much of sadness on the face of Ratan. When the postmaster was traveling by boat, he remembered that face, that dukhi face, that grief-stricken face of Ratan. Okay. And slowly what happened? The boat disappeared. Ratan was sitting there and like looking, and slowly the boat disappeared. And You see, postmaster was gone, completely disappeared from the eyes of Ratan. लेकिन रतन के अंदर एक होप था. रतन हैड अ होप, फेंट होप, के पोस्टमास्टर एक दिन वापस आएगा, द पोस्टमास्टर विल रिटर्न वन डे एंड ही विल टेक मी विथ हिम. ठीक है. एंड दिस होप एक्चुअली केप्ट हर टाइड टू द पोस्ट ऑफिस. तो रतन जो है इसी होप में उस पोस्ट ऑफिस में काम उसने कंटिन्यू रखा फॉर द नेक्स्ट पोस्ट मास्टर्स, कि एक न एक दिन, वन और द अदर डे, शी हैड अ होप दैट दादा बाबू विल रिटर्न and take me with him. So that is why Ratan continued her work in the post office and now she was under a new postmaster. ठीक है. But do you think दादा बाबू will return? What do you think? आपको क्या लगता है, दादा बाबू रिटर्न होगा? Will दादा बाबू the postmaster return and take Ratan with him? Now for that we will have to do a little analysis. In the final stanza, if you look at in the final paragraph, if you look at the final paragraph of the story, now Tagore here is actually doing, explaining what? Tagore here is actually doing what? Tagore here reflects that humans cling with both arms to false hope. ये लाइन आपके किताब में है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट. कि हम इंसान जो होते हैं ना, वी ह्यूमन बींग्स एक्चुअली, वी आर समटाइम्स वी डोंट थिंक प्रैक्टिकली. वी थिंक लाइफ टू बी अ फेरी टेल स्टोरी, जहाँ सब कुछ जो है वो हैप्पी एंडिंग में होता है. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. सो वी ह्यूमन बींग्स हैव अ टेंडेंसी कि हम लोग फॉल्स होप लेके हम लोग जिंदा रहना चाहते हैं. इंस्टेड ऑफ पेइंग अटेंशन टू द प्रैक्टिकल एस्पेक्ट ऑफ लाइफ, वी एक्चुअली हैव ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ फॉल्स होप. से फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू डिड नॉट स्टडी फॉर योर एग्जाम्स बट यू होप दैट आई विल पास. इज दैट गोइंग टू हैपन? नेवर. सो वी ह्यूमन बींग्स हैव दिस टेंडेंसी एक्चुअली, ओके, दैट वी, हम लोग जो है होप को, वी विद बोथ आवर हैंड्स वी होल्ड होप एंड फॉल्स होप. जो होप कभी भी सच नहीं हो सकता, उसी होप को हम लेके जो है आगे बढ़ते रहते. वी हैव दिस काइंड ऑफ होप. तो वी मस्ट बी प्रैक्टिकल, यू सी, एंड ऑलवेज एनालाइज विथ लॉजिकल रीजनिंग. हम लोग ये जो झूठा जो होप है, आशा है, ये हम लोग ना रखें अपने अंदर. लेट्स नॉट कीप फॉल्स होप इन साइड आस. वॉट एवर वी विल डू, द रिजल्ट विल बी दैट ओनली. अगर आपने 30% एग्जाम के लिए अगर आपने 30% प्रिपरेशन किया, इफ यू हैव डन 30% प्रिपरेशन फॉर एग्जाम, यू विल गेट 30%. इफ यू हैव प्रिपेयर्ड 100%, you will get 90-100% results only in exams. But it is not that you have not prepared but you are hoping, no, I will pass. It's never going to happen like that. Life is very practical. So we refuse to believe the practical aspect of life. हम लोग जो है practical aspect of life को हम लोग बिल्कुल believe नहीं करते. हम लोग एक fairy tale world में रहते. It is never going to happen like that, okay? So that is why analyzing all these things, मैंने जो क्वेश्चन आपको पूछा, क्या दादा बाबू वापस आएगा, आंसर इज नो. दादा बाबू इज नेवर गोइंग टू रिटर्न. So thus it can be said that Ratan's hope is utterly futile. Futile मतलब useless. रतन का जो ये होप है कि दादा बाबू एक दिन वापस आएगा, रतन्स होप दैट दादा बाबू वन डे दादा बाबू विल कम एंड टेक मी विथ हिम, दिस होप, दिस थॉट इज अटरली फ्यूटाइल. देखिए, अटरली फ्यूटाइल मतलब यूजलेस थॉट है, ये कभी नहीं होगा. दादा बाबू विल नेवर एवर रिटर्न बैक टू द विलेज. And we can also say that when Dada Babu will go to his family in Kolkata, Dada Babu will maybe once or twice talk about Ratan, that there used to be a 12 and a 13-year-old girl. Her name was Ratan. I used to teach her reading. Well, bas utna tak hi. Till that much only. She is not going to every day talk about Ratan to his mother, sister and younger brother. No, because the postmaster is a very practical person. He believes in the practical aspect of life. The postmaster does not cling with both arms to false hope. वो false hope, वो झूठा आशा लेके, झूठा hope लेके, the postmaster does not think. The postmaster is a very practical person. So Ratan's hope is futile. बस यही जो है आपका आंसर है. Ratan's hope is futile. दादा बाबू is never ever going to return back to the village. ठीक है? Okay. So I hope you have understood the story very well. Very very beautiful story, right? Okay, now here you see he realizes that he cannot go back to her and thinks of the many separations and many deaths we see. Now जब नाव चल रहा था, when the boat was traveling, now you see he realizes, the postmaster actually, जब postmaster boat में travel कर रहा था, when the postmaster was traveling in the boat, okay, the postmaster now was thinking about Ratan, and the postmaster thought that I cannot go back to her, and there are many separations in the world. बहुत लोग बिछड़ जाते हैं एक दूसरे से, ये तो दिस इज अ रेगुलर रूटीन टाइप, ये तो एक रूटीन है ना. Even many people die also, and we see all these things in life. There are many separations, many people die. So this is, kind of a routine. This is a kind of a routine. It's going to happen. This will happen, and we will have to accept these separations and deaths. So in this life there are so many separations and so many deaths, right? So one separation from a girl does not matter. तो कितने सेपरेशंस होते हैं इस लाइफ में, कितने डेथ्स होते हैं इस लाइफ में. सो वन सेपरेशन, वन पर्टिकुलर सेपरेशन फ्रॉम अ गर्ल, फ्रॉम अ 12 और 13 ईयर ओल्ड गर्ल डज नॉट मैटर. ये तो एक रूटीन है, इट्स अ रूटीन. ओके, इट्स अ डेली रेगुलर काइंड ऑफ एन एक्टिविटी. Again, you see, the postmaster will again find a job somewhere. Again, he will meet another boy or a girl. Again, there will be a kind of a bonding, friendship. Again, after some time, the postmaster will get transferred to some other place. Okay, so ये चलता रहेगा. It will keep continuing. Okay, so that is why it did not matter much to the postmaster, this separation from Ratan. But all these philosophical thoughts, now you see, the postmaster is very educated, that is why he can think of so many philosophical things. But what about Ratan? Ratan is an illiterate girl. So these philosophical thoughts are of no use for Ratan. इन सब philosophical thoughts का जो है रतन के ऊपर कोई असर नहीं होगा, because Ratan is illiterate. And she would never understand these deep thoughts. ये जो deep thoughts है, that in this world there are so many separations, so many deaths, we must consider the practical aspect of life, we must not cling to false hopes. All these philosophical thoughts are useless for Ratan. Ratan को सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ पता है, उसका bonding हुआ था, she had a bonding with the postmaster, and she wanted to go with the postmaster, that's it. And she has a hope that one day Dada Babu will return. She does not understand what is practical life, what separations, deaths. इन सब philosophical thoughts का रतन के लिए कोई मायने नहीं रखते. It does not carry any importance in Ratan's life. Okay, Ratan has a very straight cut thought. Okay, तो finally जो है कहानी का अंत हो जाता है. The story ends and you see Ratan is left behind in Ulapur, permanently left behind in Ulapur. And as I said, the postmaster is never going to return. Postmaster कभी return नहीं होगा, and Ratan is left behind in Ulapur. So that is the end of the story. The story जो है यहाँ पे ही ख़त्म हो जाता है. The story ends in the story. The story ends here, and you see that it's such a beautiful story, such an emotional story, that deaths and separations are a part of our life, and we must think logically. We must use our brain. We must not be impracticable. We must think, consider the practical aspect of life. All these things have been highlighted by Tagore in this story. Okay, so that's all from me for today. I hope you have liked the story. So please subscribe to the channel, like and share my videos, and also like me on Facebook, follow me on Facebook, OmniGyan page. Okay, so with love, OmniGyan. Thank you so much. All the best.